Let's beautify this simple notebook. We are going to draw a half mandala. Mark the center and draw circles of different radius. You can use circular items like bangles and bowls in case you don't have a compass. Mark equidistant points and draw lines for reference. Start from the center and draw your layers. Draw petal-like outlines and fill them up with designs. You can use any shape or pattern that you like. Build on one layer after the other. Though I like to jump between layers, makes the process a whole lot more fun. Slowly, your mandala will start taking shape. Make as many layers as you please. Since I have drawn a half mandala, I'm going to write a word on the other half to balance the frame. And ta-da! It's ready!